Makonmu na biyu a Data Mentorship Club mu. Mun duba yadda ake shigo da data cikin Power BI sai a gyara shi. Mun kalli different file types da ake iya shigo da data a cikin Power BI. Mun gwada na Access, mun gwada na Excel, sai kuma ma muka gwada yadda ake shigo da shi daga website ma gabaki ɗaya. So ku biyo mu mako na biyu kenan a cikin makonni 24.
So today's class was very, very informative for me personally because I learned how to import data from the web directly, and we also transformed that data and saw how we could clean the data. So that's very much important in this world of data because most of the data we have is in the web. So that was very informative. Thank you.
All right. So in our second episode of Data Mentorship Club, today we're able to look at how we can import data from different data sources into Microsoft Power BI. So we're able to import data from Excel, we're able to import data from the web, and we're able to import data from Access database and different other databases out there. And then we brought them into Power BI and we transformed. So basically in our today's class, we looked at ETL, extract, transform, and load.
Click on Save As.
Ofishin gwamna har gaban sakatariya, har a gaban sakatariya.